di ba?
And it's going to be a very tough night for Apreco and Tolentino.
Yeah.
They have to get those rebounds for May Kawayan. For Marilao, I mean. Marilao, May Kawayan.
Because when you look at it, in term, a bit undersized to si Felix Apreco, saka si Vince Tolentino. Let's see how they compensate for that. Great effort on the glass. Apolonio cleaning up his own miss, and he scores the first basket of the ball game. Apolonio open. He's been shooting the lights out from beyond the arc. Not that time though. Serrano, sidestep. Gets it to go with a left-handed finish. Apolonio against his former teammate Encho Serrano with a left-handed finish of his own.
This season, you could see that really Coach Tantan Banal is really working on the system. And you know what he's doing very well with this team.
MJ De La Vergen leaking out. Off the dribble, Ion, one-hander. No good. Gonzalez the rebound. And this is exactly why it's important for the bigs. MJ. Naive. Drives. Blocked by Gonzalez. Cassius Paul Martin. Kaapasok lang. Finishes through traffic. 2 points plus the foul. Skips it to Apolonio. Jason Apolonio again, getting to his left hand. He now has 6 points. Figueroa in transition. Gets into the cup, but Ildefonso there to clean it up. Sean Ildefonso with his first 2 points. Coach Vic giving us a history lesson of the league. AJ Miranda with a teardrop. It will rattle in. Tabla tayo, 10-all. To keep in step so far with Abra Coach Vic.
The rebounding, they're not. There's an attack there by Martin.
AJ, 8 on their shot block. Miranda launches the free and hits it. Big shot from AJ Miranda. Long rebound. Ildefonso saving it to Mike. Extra pass. Figueroa, catch and shoot. Nothing but nylon on that trifecta. Jake thought about it. Attacks against 3 defenders. The tip-in is gone from Rex De Los Reyes. Okay naman? Ang masabi mo doon, Coach Vic?
I'm just doing my job. That's the job of the coaches, which you see Sean Ildefonso making that 3.
Apolonio isolated against Sean Ildefonso. Nails the 3 and cuts the lead down to 3 points, 21-18. Nico Ilorde stops, pops. That shot doesn't drop. Gonzalez off balance. Gets the putback, does the foul. Galing siya sa Basilan. Here he is, providing the screen for Pasturan. Rolls hard. Layup is good for Miles Cañal.
Pinaramdam niya kaagad na hindi sila nagkamali.
Resets their offense. Ion. Got some space. Knocks down the 3. Gonzalez rolls. Bola na agaw ni Argente. Chance for May Kawayan to inch closer. Good pass. Apolonio in stride will lay it in for 2. MJ passes sa labas. Great extra pass. Argente drills in the 3.
3 second violation. Yes.
Swing pass, Elorde. That time, he hits it from rainbow distance. Up by 7, threatening to pull away here. Serrano, driven go. Utuba slides in and scores on the layup. Maintain themselves within striking distance, but that's a costly turnover. Serrano on the run. He will lay it in. That's a goaltend. Serrano pops out, now drives. Had to adjust in mid-air, the acrobatic finish from Encho. DJ Fenner whips a pass to Cassius Small Martin. He drills in the 3. This is the biggest lead now for Abra. Offensive rebound, yun ang problema pag nakasona, no?
Wala silang binabox out eh.
And DJ Fenner making them pay with that second chance opportunity. 16-point lead, 2 minutes gone by in the 3rd period. Pasturan, high off the glass and in. Sorry, that was AJ Miranda of the MPBL. Now he's tasked to guard AJ Miranda. Pass inside, Apreku, the reverse, rare basket from Flex.
Bihirang-bihira may score si Apreku eh.
Silang dalawa ni Vince, actually.
Vince, oo.
Fenner getting it over the top of Brix Ramos.
Adidas Pro ba dyan?
Okay.
Parang, kasi yun yung maganda. Parang ang tagal na.
Jimboy Pasturan hits a three. Mikawayan Marilao changing up their defense. Small Martin, nakabuelo. Trex de los Reyes has mastered that shot. Figueroa drives baseline. No look pass. Open three. Small Martin. Cash money for Cassius Small Martin.
Nila players that
21-point lead. One-hander. MJ De La Virgen will score. Bounce pass inside. De los Reyes. Fenner, no hesitation. Air ball. But there to clean it up was Alfred Matino. And that's been a huge problem for May Kawayan.
rebounds per game, and half of those are offensive rebounds.
17 second chance points for the Weavers. Patino in stride, open mid-range jumper. Fourth place right now. Sliding in, Felix Apreku will lay it up. Got the rebound over Apreku and Argente. Martin charging in. Figueroa will stretch and score for the Weavers. Swing pass, Argente, open three. Two triples already for Sean Argente. Small Martin. We've been giving him that shot, but the offensive rebounds have been punishing. Abra holding a sizable edge. 13-4 in this quarter.
Grabe, that's a real...
Haven't been kind for the Gems. Figueroa launches and makes them pay with another three and points at Coach Vic. Their first 3 games. But with this unit that they have right now, Enzo Serrano feeling it, doing the too small gesture after that made basket.
Wow!
Si Jake Figueroa sa si Devil Defonso hindi pa yan nagsasama.
Hindi
sa
pa,
loob.
oo.
Argente will lay it in. 52 points combined in the second and third periods.
Quarter, yes. And look at the discrepancy in the scoring department. Laki ng linamang talaga ng Abra.
Can't finish. That's been the story also for May Kawayan. As Elorde will put that one in off the glass. Gonzalez. Ildefonso with a massive offensive rebound, puts it back in. Aiming for their 8th straight victory. Argente catches, fires, and drills the three. Third triple for Sean Argente. New York Knicks, 29
diba?
points down, 20 points behind in the fourth, but Abra back to a 30-point lead. Apolonio rejected, sticks with it, and puts it back in. Third they've had since that loss to San Juan. Kasi doon siya na-injure. From that point on, Manny Bay is the digital wallet built for the community. Ahead by 31. Miranda turns around, blocked by Gonzalez. Raven Gonzalez with his third rejection. And now he will lay it in.
And look at the rebound there by Sean Ildefonso.
Sean Ildefonso with his 5th board. Alley-oop. And Abra pretty much. Coach Warren, Kapitan, is also watching. 3-point shot by Jimboy Pasturan goes down. 5 sunod-sunod na panalo, but this one seems like it won't go in their favor going up against another powerhouse team. We talked about how they were able to beat teams like Negros, Rizal, Bataan, Marikina, and Sarangani. going up against a team like Abra, you cannot check all the boxes in terms of you executing that game plan and sitting on that 2-3 zone for the most part. But then yun nga, no? Yung that kind of defense being susceptible to offensive rebound.
Medyo they started really very well pero naubos din sila eh. Parang in the second quarter, dahan-dahan ang bumaba yung intensity ng game nila. You have to start making those shots. Kailangan itaas mo yung average mo. You cannot play your usual game.
Wilkin Lee, Jay Yutok, Josh Asuncion, and Joel Gonzalez together with Sean Ildefonso. The official sportsbook of the FPBL.
And if you could see in this 5, Sean Ildefonso is playing one of the bigs.
Yutok off the glass and in. Lot of inside points for the Weavers. Jay Yutok, mintis yung kanyang tres. But the putback is in from Joel Gonzalez who had 23 points. Pinukpok talaga sila dun eh. Pasturan with a floater.
Those shots.
Asuncion malakas, putback. Wala kay Sean. Sari-saring offensive rebound na naman yon. And Sean Ildefonso putting the cherry on top. Abra winning convincingly against one of the rising teams in the North Division. Pretty much in the thick of things, especially with that title retention bid. Our player of the game rather, is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Your choice, Coach Vic.
Best player of the game, I think we're going to give it to Jake Figueroa, making the difference in that third quarter run, getting those offensive boards, rebounds, and scoring here in this ball game.
Solid performance once again for the Kapampangan. Jake Figueroa, 12 points, 8 rebounds, and helping Abra